Hi guys, it's Sandy here. If you're new here, I am a South African beauty and lifestyle YouTuber, so do subscribe if you aren't. This was put together by KOTRA. If you don't know, they're in charge of the South Korean consumer goods event that happens around November every year. And this event is usually in Johannesburg, and they basically bring together South Korean beauty, makeup, music, food and culture here to South Africa. I'm going to divide the video into segments so you can check out the different stores. I'm also going to link the stores down below in the description. So let's get into this because I'm so excited. First, I see something from Seoul of Tokyo. They have such a good range of products, and I have this little starter sample kit bag. I know they were selling this on their site a while back, and they always change the products that they add in here. From personal experience, it's always nice to start off, getting into KBeauty by trying out samples, because you never know what your skin's gonna like and not like. And not only do we have the cute little bag, we have a Keep Cool Ocean mask. I've used some of the Keep Cool samples from this range. They smell really nice. Can I just say, Korean sheet masks hit differently. We have a little sample of the Benton Cosmetics green tea lotion. I've used Benton Cosmetics before. My mom loves their product and they're super affordable. This is a moisturizer. This doesn't smell like it has a scent, but really nice and thin. I was actually considering buying the full size of this once upon a time. We have a little Neogen essence sample, and these KBeauty samples last so long because you use so little product. It says for brighter, softer and deep hydration. My skin is so dry 24/7. We have this Pyun Kang Yul toner. I believe this doesn't have any scent. These products, if I recall, are really nice if you have acne skin. They're very gentle, no fragrance. We have the I'm from Mugwort mask. I think this is the one I've been hearing about. Okay, this is cool. I'm excited for this. Ooh, sweet peach almonds. I had the honey butter ones the last time. Seoul of Tokyo has a bunch of different flavors, so it's always nice to just pop this in your cart at checkout. It's actually pink. It's so cool. That is insane. It's almond, but it tastes like a peach. What technology is this? There's a coating on here. And then we have some KBeauty products from Superbalist. So not only can you get your clothes, but you can check out and even just pick up a face mask. This is the Tony Moly I'm Red Wine face mask. These are really great and they're so affordable, and there's so many different types as well. I haven't personally used the red wine before. I used a lemon one. I love just adding masks to my cart to check out, usually to reach free shipping. So sent the I'm in Love hand cream, which I really need because it's winter right now. My hands are super dry. It's got argan oil, shea butter and aloe extract. Hand cream with classy cotton scent and rich moisture. Oh, that does smell classy. It smells like, the soap you get in those fancy soap dispensers in like a hotel or like a fancy restaurant bathroom. It smells just like that. And then also from Superbalist is this Tony Moly Golden Pig Collagen Bounce Mask. Do you see this? How cute is it? But can I say Tony Moly has the cutest products and packaging ever. So cute. Oh my. I need to do like some videos trying this out. Oh, it's fancy. Spoon, spatula. And then we... Oh wow. We have a collagen ampoule. This is from Beautique. I've bought international makeup from them before. They, within recent years, started stocking KBeauty products as well. If you are new to KBeauty, I did a video a while back. Oh, that's fancy. How do I... How? Oh, I got it. You do it. Oh, wait a minute. You're telling me if I press this button over here, it's gonna do. Oh, that's nice. This looks very promising. It has 76% mushroom extract. Next up, I have this Centella moisturizing cream, and this is from a store called My Koco. This site is actually new to me. I'm definitely looking forward to keeping up with future updates from them. I've never tried and this is from a brand called May Island. This almost looks like Some by Me. It looks like it's gonna do some repair on your skin. Centella is usually good for like acne and pimple type of skin. It says it contains AHA, PHA and BHA, calming, brightening, wrinkle care, elasticity and anti-inflammatory. I would use something like this as a night cream just because of all of the active ingredients it has in. And next up, I have some products from Luxe Loft. Like I said, it's always great to shop around because all of these different sites that sell Korean skincare products in South Africa, they all sell different things. I think the brand is called The Lotus, and this is a lotus leaf and lemon mist. Oof, look at this. I believe this is the like lemon extract. So you can just shake it before you use it. Oh, I can't wait to use this before my makeup. Oh, that's so fresh. And then I see they sent 2 Benton Cosmetics sample size products. So this is the Aloe Propolis Gel, and this is the Aloe BHA toner. I have used both of these products before. Okay, I won't be opening this. And then lastly in here we have a Korean sheet mask. I get so excited when I see Korean sheet masks. This is from a brand called Shangpri. This is an aroma blend calming mask. After, you know, doing some hectic makeup looks, my skin just needs a little TLC. Oh, my almonds are finished. Lastly, we have some products from Shop Glow Theory. Shop Glow Theory has been around for so long, and it was the first KBeauty store that I ever followed on Instagram, and I saved up my money for such a long time, and I was finally able to afford a beginner skincare kit that they were selling on their site, and I was so excited. So Shop Glow Theory always has a special place in my heart. Get out of here. Oh, they sent a Claire's moisturizing cream. Claire's is so amazing. Their products are like kind of pricey, so worth it. Oh, we have the Innisfree cleansing foam. That's really nice. Oh, and then this is the Innisfree hyaluronic acid toner. I actually haven't used any of the full-size products and stuff from Innisfree, so looking forward to see how their brand does on my skin. But hey, with KBeauty, you can use almost anything and it's going to be amazing, as long as it's for your skin type. It can be very dangerous if you mix together the wrong products or you use something that is not for your skin type at all. How cute is this? It's a little sample size of the Jumso. I don't know if I'm saying that right. All-day vitamin brightening serum. Oh, it smells so nice. And then lastly in here, oh, wow, the Access Y Energy Complex Mask. I don't know if you can see in here. You can see the liquid. That's so cool. This packet is like transparent. I actually haven't gotten around to trying any of the Access Y products as yet, hey? Oh, I see it's very soothing and hydrating. And that's a wrap. I had so much fun unboxing this. I have another video where I linked a bunch of like really cool online stores you can buy like Korean beauty products and snacks and international makeup and things, so you can check that video out as well. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you discovered some cool new stores to follow that sell Korean beauty products. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.